Leinart, and it looks really good. Some super gettable items right up here. There's a South Park. Let's go for the South Park actually. I don't have any of the new ones, so I sort of want one. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect, it clamped. Come on. Ooh. I think I can get that though. Draw more. Check for that one more time. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, that's not gonna grab it. Nope. Alright. Check for South Park one more time. Oh, perfect. Clamp. Yes, it clamped. Stay. Nice, got it. New South Park. Sweet. Nice. I like how it says 18 and up. I don't think I've ever seen a plush toy with the age limit. Ooh, that'd be cool to get a 2-in-1. Oh. 2-in-1 with LeBron James and a kiss. That'd be pretty sweet. Oh, that's perfect. Ooh. Oh, stay. Oh. I don't know how it didn't pick up that kiss guy. Shoot, I hope they're both gettable. Alright, let's try for... Let's go for, this kiss character. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect. Come on, grab. Oh, geez, it got super weak since I got it. Got that South Park character. Let's try it again. Oh, that should have him. Come on. Yes, got him. Perfect grab. Nice. Alright, got him. Sweet. See if we can get that LeBron James now. Might be able to get the Spider-Man out here too, we'll see. Head, I guess. For this shoulder right here. Hopefully he doesn't stab that eagle back there. Oh, maybe. That should have him. It's close. Oh no. Maybe dug in there. Oh, nope, I doubt it. No, this call is super weak. I got the kiss guy anyways, though. That's pretty cool. Alright, sweet. I don't have this one yet, surprisingly. Oh, I got Tyrese off. That's cool. Alright, let's go for Tyrese, I guess, then. 6 seconds. Let's try for... Alright guys, I'm on my Walmart. Oh my god, this looks awesome. Look, it's a Minion claw machine. Oh my god. Look at this thing. It looks so cool.
Yeah. Dad, they made a new one. Oh no. Dude, that's awesome. They already did it.
Let's try that. It's in the overall. Come on. Oh, shit. That's so cool, though. What if I could get a 2-in-1? Oh my god, look how gettable that unicorn is. Oh, that's so cool.
I'm not any Mickey Mouse.
Mighty Mouse.
No Mickey Mouse.
3 seconds. Let's go for this unicorn.
Do you know how to drive a
Oh
really
shoot,
fast-
I missed it. Oh shoot. Dude, that's awesome. It's a Minion claw machine. I've never seen that before. Let's see.
Dad, do you have any 56? Hey, Dad. Do you have any 56?
Let's try that.
No.
Oh, shoot. Slipped out. Dang it. Okay. There we go.
down?
There, it's got it. Yes. Got the unicorn, sweet. Alright, let's go for this unicorn. That is so cool. Minion claw mission. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, shoot. I don't know. Yes, stay. Oh, I knew it. It won't spin much, so we'll see. Oh, shoot. It spun. Oh, stay. Oh my god. Oh, close. I like how the minions, when it falls, there's like little perfect slots for the claws to go through. It's kind of hard to explain, but so many minions. It's too bad minions aren't like that popular anymore because the movie's already over. Oh shoot, stab that little part of its. I know where to go this time though. Try that. Oh, are you serious? It stabbed his little toe. Man. Oh, perfect. That should have it. Yes, got it. Oh, sweet. Another unicorn. That'll be good. Let's see. Oh, maybe. Oh. Oh, machine, that's so cool. Alright, it's been perfect. Try that. Shoot. Oh, nope. Let's go for a different minion. Maybe see if I can. Let's go for it. See if we can get this minion off the wall. Oh. Let's go for this minion. Oh, I doubt it. Oh, oh. Let's go for that Looney Tunes coin case in there. That's pretty rare. Let's see. Let's go for this one first. I don't really know how this will work out here, but oh, that looked horrible. Unless it gets in the loop. No, that's already. I don't know actually. So you can hook right into that loop. Oh, that was so close. Oh my gosh, that was close. Try that. Oh, get in there. Oh, so close. Oh, oh. I was trying to hook the tag. Let's try that. Come on. Yes, it's in there. It's in there. Grab. Stay. Stay. Nice Zodiac coin case. Heck yeah. Stuck. Let's see if we can win this other one. First. Maybe. Oh my god, 2 in a row. Yeah, 2 in a row coin cases. That's awesome. There, sweet. 2 in a row. Dude, that's freaking awesome. Oh my god, 2 Zodiac coin cases. Sweet. Ooh. Maybe. Ooh, I knocked it down. Probably get that. That may have it, that may have it. Stay, uh-oh, stay. Oh, wow. That threw it really far. I don't know, I don't think it's gettable anymore. Let's try one more dollar, though, just to make sure. Because I might be able to hook in that loop sideways, so. Oh, I got that. Stay. Oh.
That's why the wet floor's out there. You might trip while you're jumping over the station.
You might trip when you're out.
Yeah, jump high.
Oh, there we go, maybe.
I don't know if we're going to be back today.
Alright, hold up. Yes, stay. Nice, I caught Tyrese. Sweet, jumbo Tyrese.